Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. In this video, I will be telling you guys how you guys can get swipe up feature in Instagram without having 10k followers in your ID. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Hello guys, we will go to Instagram. To use this feature, you must have uploaded any IGTV video. So we'll go to the story section. Click here, we'll select this image. So click here, swipe up link plus IGTV video. The IGTV video has been linked, so click yes. Click here, Jiffy, swipe up. Select this Jiffy and place it here and add to our story. Story is being added. We will refresh and wait for some time. Story is being posted. The story is being posted, so we'll swipe up. Check that it is working or not. It is working. In this video, I will be giving one step. We'll go to that IGTV video. As you can see, I have mentioned click here to watch, so click here. As you guys can see, I have mentioned my YouTube channel link in the description. Here, if we click on that link, it will directly open in your YouTube channel or YouTube app. So as you guys can see, my YouTube channel has been opened through that link. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it informative, do share it with your friends. Thank you. Hello guys, we'll go to Instagram. To use this feature, you must have uploaded any IGTV video. So we'll go to the story section. Click here, we'll select this image. So click here, swipe up link plus IGTV video. The IGTV video has been linked, so we'll click yes. Then click here, Jiffy, swipe up. So we'll select this Jiffy and place it here and add to our story. The story is being added, so we'll refresh and wait for some time. So the story is being posted. The story is being posted, so we'll swipe up to check that it is working or not. It is working. In this video, I will be giving one step. We'll go to that IGTV video. As you can see, I have mentioned click here to watch, so I'll click here. As you guys can see, I have mentioned my YouTube channel link in the description. Here, if we click on that link, it will directly open in your YouTube channel or YouTube app. So as you guys can see, my YouTube channel has been opened through that link. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it informative, do share it with your friends. Thank you.